Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to remove background in Adobe After Effects. First, import your footage with clear subject against the distant background. Click on the Roto Brush tool at the top of After Effects. Now, double-click on the video to open Roto Brush workspace. In the Brushes tab, set brush's diameter, for example, to 20 pixels. Paint green shape over the subject to keep. Use the red brush, hold Alt key to correct any mistake. Now extend the gray bar below the video to match duration of green bar. Full video length. Press play to let After Effects analyze the footage and create mask. Adjust settings like feather, contrast, shift edge or reduce culture for smoother edges. Optionally, you can add new background by creating new solid layer and placing in bed the original footage. Experiment with different effects. Fine-tune as needed, and once you are satisfied, export your video. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.